Hey guys, I'm in my basement and I have been very hesitant about starting any starts because I have been having a big problem with gnats. I come down here to water my plants, the gnats are flying in my face, crawling on my hands, and they were driving me crazy. So I decided to go on the internet and search for gnat traps, and I want to show you what I came up with. I don't know whether you can see that very good, but this is what I found. These here little things, they have sticky glue on them or something. And look at, now I put that one in last night. And when I got up this morning, this is what it looked like. And I don't know whether, let me turn it around. They're on both sides. This side. And this side. And I have another one here. I hope you can see this. It's up by the light. And both sides of it just filled with gnats. Now I put this one in a couple of hours ago because I saw a few more flying around. Look. This is just unbelievable. It was more gnats than I realized. So I wanted to share with you what I was doing, and right now, no gnats, and I'm so happy. Now this is what they look like. It's just called sticky traps, and they, I don't know whether you can read that yellow writing, but it says yellow sticky traps. So this is what I purchased off of Amazon, and they work. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Peace and love. This is Lady P, and I'm out.